Sorry, bro. No luck today. It's all crushed. Sharp, pointy angles. I'll take it down so it starts to turn. Okay, and now here you see we have our brand new PVC tied into the downspouts. We just cleaned out the downspouts. Going to 90, going here, tying in with corrugated because we couldn't create fall under that 3-inch sewer pipe. Running 20 feet here, and we're going to excavate another 10 feet and see if it goes under this beautiful paver work, or do we continue down straight to the next downspout. Stay tuned. All right, we have the old line, which we're going to cut back and not use. We have our downspout that we have open. I'm going to jet and clean that. And we also have our line right here. I'm going to jet and clean that as well. That's how we know everything's going good. Okay, as we come to one of my favorite parts of the job, testing. So we have the simulation of rainfall coming through a downspout. This is the beginning of our system. The system started off as a 15 to 18 foot run, turned into a 47-foot run, tying in 1, 2, 3, 4 downspouts and a sprinkler line. Approximate time for the job is 2 days. Here's where everything meets up at. Continues to fall. And here's what we have. We have our drainage. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful drainage. Any of your drainage solutions, contact Ace One Logistics. Ask for Demetrius. System. Just waiting on these pavers here to be put back in. Other than that, you can't even tell we were here. 47 feet downspout, ran to daylight.